Okay, now we can see the screw gauge. So screw gauge is also instrument to measure the accurate values up to 3 decimals, in the measured value, very accurate. Compare with Vernier scale, screw gauge will calculate with more accurate. So how many times it measures the value? 10 times more accurate than the Vernier scale. Vernier scale value is 10 times more than the ordinary scale. Ordinary scale will give you only 1 decimal value, 2.2, 2.3 like this. But Vernier scale will give you until 2 decimal values. Screw gauge will give until 3 decimal values. Okay, it is more accurate than the Vernier scale. Screw gauge is more accurate. Here also we have 2 scales. So those scales we call it is see here. So this is the screw gauge model. Here also one movable rod is there. So if you tight like this rod will move like this. Can you understand? So this rod will move. So we are putting object, this rod will move in this direction like this. So if you tight like this, so this rod will move like this. Can you understand? Between them we are putting the object, whatever object you have to find out, the diameter or whatever it may be, you will put here. So this we call it as this reading is there now. This we call is this one. So this is the pitch scale reading, PSR, pitch scale reading. This we call as the pitch scale, like a cricket pitch scale reading. So it is 0 reading, it is 0, here it shows 0. Pitch scale reading here I am drawing, you see, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, means 1 centimeter. It's also like ordinary scale. So each division we have 1 millimeter. So this is the pitch scale. We call it as the pitch scale reading. So pitch scale reading. Now you tell me what is 1 PSD? What is 1 pitch scale reading? Or 1 PSD? 1 pitch scale division is equal to how much? You tell me. 1 pitch scale division, 1 division. Each division 1 mm. Each division 1 mm. 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 1 centimeter. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 centimeters like this. So each division is 1 mm, 1 millimeter. Like a main scale in the Vernier calipers. In Vernier calipers also main scale is there, no? Main scale should be like a ordinary scale. Each division is 1 mm. 1 MSD there, main scale division is equal to 1 mm we have taken. Here 1 PSD, pitch scale division is equal to 1 mm. Any doubt? Manikanta. So 1 PSD is equal to 1 mm. 1 pitch scale division is equal to 1 mm. Any doubt? Please tell me. No doubt. Right. Now go for head scale. What is head scale? This top of the over is there, no? This is the head scale. This head scale is moving over the pitch scale. So head scale how it is? Like this is there. So in head scale, so this is the head scale. Here you have one screw, big screw is there. So this we have to turn over. If you turn like this, this head scale is there, no? It is moving like this. Okay, right. Now on this head scale, you have divisions around the head scale like this. Divisions around like this. Around this. Can you understand? It is 0. Like a round. Like this round is there. It is 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. until 100 divisions are there. 100 divisions. In that main scale, Vernier scale, how many divisions are there? 10 divisions. Here, over the round, how many divisions are there? 100 divisions are there. So here you write head scale, HSD, head scale divisions. Total number of head scale divisions you take. Number of head scale divisions. Number of head scale divisions. Number of head scale divisions. That is equal to 100. So 1 PSD, 1 pitch scale division is equal to 1 mm. 1 pitch scale division is equal to 1 mm. And number of divisions on the head scale. Number of divisions on the head scale is equal to 100. Number of
Divisions on head scale is equal to 100.
Now you tell me least count. Least count is equal to, in this case,
0.00.
yeah, that is equal to 1 PSD, 1 pitch scale division divided by
100.
number of divisions on head scale, number of divisions on head scale. Okay, 1 pitch scale division divided by number of divisions on head scale. Head scale is there, no, number of divisions. Therefore least count is equal to, tell me Manikanta, least count is equal to
1 by
1 by
100.
100. Very good. That is equal to
0.01.
0.01 mm. 0.01 mm. That is equal to 0.0001
centimeter.
So least count for screw gauge is 0.01 mm, or least count for screw gauge 0.00001 centimeter. So 0.001 centimeter. Any doubt regarding this? Please tell me. Vernier scale least count. What is the least count for Vernier scale?
0.1 mm.
0.1 mm or 0.01 centimeter. Right. What is the least count for screw gauge?
0.01 mm, 0.001 cm.
So how much accurate this screw gauge compared with Vernier scale? 10 divisions more accurate. Okay. With Vernier scale 100. Okay. Right. So now we can calculate. Now errors we go. Either positive error or negative error. So now you see, listen please. Please listen. So now I am going to find out the error. How to find the error? Suppose, see here. So this is the what is this one? This is head scale. And what is this? This is main scale or pitch scale. Pitch scale. Okay. Now see, this is 0. This which one? 0 of this 0 of this line, or this is the line. This line we call as the index line. It is the index line. On index line it has the pitch scale values. Is it correct or not? So it is the index line. So index line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 centimeter, like this is that. Means this index line have pitch scale readings. Pitch scale readings. Now see the head scale. So head scale 0. 0 of the head scale. 0 of the head scale is, it is the 0 of the head scale. Okay. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this is there. So 0 of the head scale. 0 of the head scale is below the index line. 0 of the head scale is below the index line. Then error is positive. Error is positive. So positive error. First I am writing. First one is positive error. Positive error. What is a positive error? If the 0 of the head scale reading, it starts with 0 na? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So if 0 of the head scale reading is below the index line, below the pitch scale reading, below the pitch scale line, then the error is positive error. Positive error. Correction is negative. Right. So here error is positive, means here you can assume it is x. X is equal to c. For example, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth division is on the index line. Fourth division is on the index line. Manikanta, can you understand? So fourth division on the index line. So here, so this x is equal to 4 and correction is equal to
Negative.
right. So correction is equal to -4. Error is +4, positive error. Correction is
Negative.
-4, negative. Suppose this is a positive error. Positive error. Suppose, see here, one more point. It is the index line. So index line means pitch scale readings. These are pitch scale. Okay. Now we take the head scale. Head scale. So this is the head scale. Suppose 0 of the head scale is above the index line. Above the index line. So 0 of the head scale is above the index line. Then that error is negative. So it is negative error. Negative error. Any doubt? Negative error. Negative error. If 0 of the head scale is above the index line, then error is negative. Correction is
Positive.
positive. Correction is positive. Correction is positive. Correction is positive. I'll repeat. If 0 of the head scale is above the index line, then error is negative, correction is positive. How we take this value means here also that error, negative error is equal to. Negative error you can assume it is as a y. So where should I write that one? Shall I write here? Negative error. So negative error is equal to, see here. So negative error is equal to minus of n minus x. Minus of n minus x. N is the number of divisions in head scale. How many divisions are there? 100 divisions are there. Very good. So here you write minus of 100 minus x. X means, see here, like this you will get now. Suppose here 96 is there. 96. Why? Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this is there. So here 96 will come. So 100 minus 96, that is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. So both are 4. Gonna? Shall I take it is 97? 97. Any doubt?
Yes.
Right, 97. So 100 minus 97, that is equal to minus 3. So correction is positive. Correction is equal to plus 3. Correction is equal to plus 3. Same like Vernier scale. I'll repeat. If 0 of the head scale reading is below the index line, error is positive, correction is negative. So now you take directly x value here 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth division is coincide. So that positive error is 4 and correction is minus 4. Suppose 0 of the head scale reading above the index line, then error is negative, correction is positive. So this value you have to take that minus of n minus x. N is the number of divisions in head scale. So number of divisions are 100 and this value x is the value. So which value is coinciding here? That we have to take. Suppose 97 is coinciding. 97 is coinciding. So 100 minus 97, that is minus 3. Correction is plus 3. Suppose 0 error. What is 0 error? You tell me. If tell me what is 0 error? Suppose this is the pitch scale. Pitch scale index. Now see this head scale 0. The head scale 0 is exact on the So head scale 0 is exact on the index line. Error is equal to 0. Error is equal to 0. No additions and no subtractions. So if the 0 of the head scale is coincide with the index line, no error. If 0 of the head scale is below the index line, error is positive, correction is negative. If the 0 of the head scale reading is above the index line, error is negative, correction is positive. Okay, right. Like this you can find the errors and least count is also over. Now how we are going to find out the diameter of the given object, that we can see. Till here any doubt? Please tell me, any doubt? Right. So now you see how you take the value, how to find the diameter of the given small object, and I told you that it will give you until 3 decimal values. So more accurate, it is more accurate than the Vernier calipers. Till here any doubt? Please ask me.
Yes.
Right, good. Now see here. Suppose this object we can keep. You put this as the bar, you keep here. Okay. Now see here. This is the, what we call it is the head scale. It is the head scale. Now you can rotate like this. You put the object here. You can rotate like this. Now see here, whatever value is there on this pitch scale. So pitch scale value you can see. Pitch scale it is 0. Pitch scale 0 and it is 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4 it is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 is there. It is 2 and it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here it is 3 is there. Can you understand? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. 2.4 centimeter is there. Can you understand? 2.4. So 2.4. So that is the pitch scale reading. So PSR, pitch scale reading. Pitch scale reading is equal to 1, 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Why? Because this is in between 4 and 5. So PSR is equal to 2.4 centimeters. Any doubt? No doubt at all. Right. Now see this Vernier head scale reading. This head scale reading is there now. So head scale reading, suppose 0 is here. For example, if you rotate this, so it is 0, and here or otherwise here you take it is 0, whatever it may be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5, division 5 is on this index line, division 5. So that is the, what is this one? This is the head scale division, head scale reading or otherwise head scale reading. That is equal to 5. Simple. That is equal to 5. So head scale reading is equal to 5. And already we calculated that least count is equal to 0.001 centimeter least count. Now total reading is equal to total reading. So total reading is equal to PSR, pitch scale reading, plus least count into head scale reading or head scale coincidence. Head scale coincidence. Okay, right. So that is equal to PSR means that is 2.4 plus 0.001 into 5. Is it correct or not? 0.001 into 5. So it is, that is equal to 2.4 plus 0.005. Add these two. If you add these two, you are getting 2.405 centimeters. This is the total. See, it will give you accurate until
3
decimals. Error is there means you can write error here. So suppose error is there. So therefore total reading is equal to, see here, total reading. That is equal to PSR plus least count into head scale reading plus error, plus or minus error. Can you understand? So suppose that the head scale reading or head scale division coincide with the until 99. 0 to 100 divisions are there now? Until 99. Suppose if you take here, so instead of 5 you take 96. So 96, 0.001 into 96 means 0.096. Add, so 2.496 will come like that. Any doubt? So for example, this HSR is equal to, I am taking HSR is equal to some 73. 73 means this is above here and here 73 division is on the index line. So least count is 0.001 centimeter. Therefore this you can write here, you take 73, that is equal to 0.073. So answer is, that is equal to 2.473. Very, very important. This is the total reading. Suppose error is there, error you can take here. So total reading is equal to PSR plus least count into HSR plus or minus error. Error is positive means take negative. Error is negative means take positive. So this is the screw gauge. So by using screw gauge we can find until 3 decimal values. Okay, I will repeat. So it has two scales. One is the pitch scale and another one is the head scale. Head scale will rotate like this. So on head scale you have 100 divisions. Generally you have 100 divisions like this. Okay, you can rotate like this. It is the pitch scale. Pitch scale divisions like a Horner scale divisions. Like means each division in pitch scale is 1 mm. So one pitch scale division is equal to 1 PSD. So 1 PSD, pitch scale division is equal to 1 mm. and the number of divisions on the head scale is 100. So least count is equal to 1 PSD divided by number of divisions on head scale. Then you will get the least count with 0.001 centimeters. This is the least count. Okay. Now we want to find out the diameter of the given object. We put the diameter here. See the head scale. It is head scale where it is coincided with the main scale, that you can see. So it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, 2.1, 2, 3, 4. 2.4 is there. So that pitch scale reading you can take, that is 2.4. Next plus least count into HSR means head scale coincidence. So that is 0.001 into, for example, it 73 division is coincided with this index line. So 0.001 into 73 you can write. So that is equal to 2.4 plus 0.073. So answer is total reading is equal to 2.473 centimeters. Okay, right. So for these two, which one? Vernier calipers and screw gauge. 100 and 200% sure one question will come. So in 2019 Orissa paper, they asked one question in Vernier calipers, and in 2018 they asked one question in Vernier calipers. Screw gauge I think they didn't ask. Next time we hope that they will ask one question in screw gauge. Very simple. Only you have to remember least count of Vernier scale and least count of the screw gauge. Vernier scale total reading is equal to, what is the total reading of Vernier scale psi? Total reading is equal to MSR plus least count into Vernier coincidence.
Effective
Vernier coincidence. Very good. Effective. What is the total reading of screw gauge psi?
Pitch scale reading plus
Pitch scale reading plus least count into HSR. Head scale divisions are there, na? Head scale coincidence. Effective HSR also you can take. What is effective HSR? Head scale division plus error, plus or minus error. When you take positive, if error is negative. When you take negative, if error is positive. What is a positive error? What is a positive error?
When the zero lies on
zero of the head scale reading is below the index line, that error is positive, correction is negative. If zero of the head scale reading, head scale is above the index line, error is negative and correction is positive, like this. Okay, so these two are very important. Right, thank you.